Welcome to this week's video where I'm going to show you how you can use a fancy little new app that is made by the creators of Planoly. And we all know how awesome Planoly is if you want to organize your Instagram account. But what they offer is something that they call StoriesEdit. You can find that in your App Store or Google Play Store. It is called StoriesEdit, as simple as StoriesEdit, as simple as that. And you can download that, and it's, at least it works together, or it's made by Planoly, or at least it's very closely connected. What this app offers you is actually a really nice way of creating stories that are all in a similar kind of brand and all have a certain vibe to them. So if you're not very creative and you like the look and feel of Planoly in general and how they do stuff, then the StoriesEdit feature might be for you. So as you can see here, there are various who are featured, but there are also collections with different kinds of things. So you have Rogue, or you have Pop Quiz, where you can create your own quiz things, for example. Or what else is there? There are different categories that you can skim through with different sizes. So for example, you have classic ones, and you can tap on view all and have a look through all the various templates that they do have available. And if you find one that tickles your fancy and that you find pretty enough, that one, for example, could be for your highlight images. If you create highlights on your Insta story, you basically just choose whatever you like. I'm going to in the quotes section, and I'm going to use that one because why not? What you can do now is type on whatever needs changing here, for example, and you start to type in your quote, favorite quote of all times. You can also click on edit here and then change the font style. We can use Montagna. Well, that's not pretty. That's also not very pretty. I mean, it does make sense to use the certain fonts that they're suggesting. You can change the font. You can change the hex fonts for everything here. And you can make it bold. Let's select Nutella, or that's all of it. Not very distinct, are you? Can change the font size because obviously that quote is longer. We can change the letter spacing, and we can change the line height here, and we can change the color of the font. You can go back to keyboard if you want to change that, and if you're done with it, you click done on the right hand side. If you want to change the color, you can click at the icon that has like this RGB pastel-y kind of thing, and then either type in your hex code here again, or you choose whatever they're offering you here. But they're all in a certain kind of style, so that's why they're pretty pastel-y. Let's just call it that. Let's use green because green is bay. So we've done that. If you click on the icon with the triangle and the circle, you can add shapes, and if you scroll left and right, you can choose between them, and you can make them bigger or smaller depending how you like this. And once you've done that, you can click on save here. Okay, we click save here first, but you see the arrow here at the top, and then you can either save it to your phone, save it to Instagram, immediately post it to Planoly, Snapchat, or TikTok, which I am not using yet. I'm too old, I guess. I'm gonna save it to my phone, and it saves it to your camera roll. The icon here at the top, you can preview it, and yeah, once you've created the story that you like, you can immediately post it to your Instagram story from your gallery and have it all look nice and pretty. You can add various ones, so you can choose another template and be creative like that, and have a little bit of help with a certain style with StoriesEdit. There are also some where you can add images. Let's use that one. And that's as simple as opening that one. Let's change the background color to green because we want it all to fit together. And you click on the plus icon. Once you've saved here, click on the plus icon, and I'm going to use Yoshi now. We're going to use that one click select, and then he's added to the area where the image is. And if you zoom in with both of your fingers, you can zoom in, and also you can move him around. If you just use one finger, you can move him around. Hey doggy, that's the face I get most of the time. Yeah, I hope that's helpful, and enjoy playing around with StoriesEdit, and see you again next week. Bye! That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!